Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce you all to my physician office business plan template. And so the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'll introduce you all to the Word document, which is the actual business plan template for the physician office. And then I'll show you all the financial model that's included in the business plan template, and that is in a Excel file. All right, and then at the end of it, if you are interested in purchasing the physician office business plan template, the link is right here, and I'll also provide you all with that link at the end of the video. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA doctoral candidate. I am a professional business plan writer. I've authored several books on Amazon.com, and then I'm also an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if y'all do want somebody to write the business plan for you, you don't want to mess around with templates or tutorials, I do offer professional business plan writing services. Also, I do offer financial projection services as well. So I can do the financial projections with the business plan or separately. So whatever works for you works for me. And if you are interested in my services, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the start of the show, which is the physician office business plan template. So when you do, or if you do purchase the template, it does come with a Word document. Once you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with a title page. Most of my clients, they're going to go ahead and get rid of that writing right there. They'll put their logo there and then leave business plan underneath. The next page, table contents. Once you update your information in the template, you just click on the table of contents, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and all of your page numbers and headers will update accordingly. Page number 3 is the executive summary. In the executive summary, I give you a location to update your physician office summary, your target market, your financial highlights, and your funding request. Anywhere you see yellow, definitely want to put your information in there. And then page number 4 is your company description. This is the meat and potatoes of the template. And some of the sections you can update would be your physician office summary section, services provided, competitive advantage, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, and a description of your location. And then this section ends with a business objective and timeline, just to tell your reader where you think you're going to be in 3 months and 6 months and a year. The next section is our industry analysis. In the industry analysis, I do obtain a report from IBIS World. They are the industry leader in industry research. And what I do is I extrapolate important statistics from that report, and I'll put it into my template. Of course, I'll summarize it, put in my own words, and then I do offer credit where credit is due, right down here in a footnote. Template includes a SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. To update the SWOT, you just click on the words right here and update accordingly. Next section is going to be organizational structure. Right here is where you're going to put your ownership information, and this organizational chart can be updated as you see fit. Again, just by clicking on the words and putting your information in. The next section is going to be your marketing section. I do provide y'all with 3 starting points for 3 different marketing channels, which is your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Funding requests. I give you a funding request section. How much money do you need to get the party started, and important terms in relations to your funding. Financial projections. The financial projections, you're going to pull that information from the financial model, but some of the financial projections that are included is your profit and loss for year 1, broken up monthly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, we have our pro forma income statement, which is just a summary of your revenues, your expenses, and net income for the next 5 years, broken up annually. In order to update this information in your financial statements, you do need to go to the financial model, which is again included in the purchase of the template. In the model, it comes with 4 tabs: your information page, your projections page, which is just a summary of your financial projections, your profit and loss statement, and again, monthly as well as quarterly, and then also your pro forma income statement, Once you're done updating your information in the information page, you just copy and paste the financial statement into the Word document. Now on the information page, anywhere that you see where it's darker color right here, you can put your information in there, and as you enter your information, your projections, your profit and loss statement, and your income statement will update accordingly. And again, once you're done putting your information in, then copy and paste the statements into the Word document. Some of the segments you can update are your daily sales, your labor information, your startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, your growth rates, and your loan information. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template for a physician office, just go to this link right here. Again, it does come with a Word document as well as a basic financial model, which was the Excel file I just showed y'all. Also, I do provide y'all with business plan template tutorials. Just go to this link right here. The tutorials are free. Keep in mind that you do need Microsoft Word and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And then finally, if you have any questions or comments or concerns about the template before you buy it, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. After you buy it, if you do need some assistance with the template, whether it's just to walk you all through it or just to have me do it for you, I do charge for my services to help y'all with the templates after you purchase it. So if you want me to help you, again, my contact information is right here. All right, so on a final note, if you do not want to mess with templates and you do not want to mess with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I do offer custom business plan writing and custom financial projection services. My packages and information is at this link right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So as always, go out and make a little bit of money.